Are VA loans bad for sellers? No, VA loans are actually better than conventional mortgages for sellers, and I'll tell you why. So first, the VA loan has a thing. If the property value doesn't come in where it's supposed to, the appraiser is going to tell you before they issue the value of it, right? Once the value is done, it's a lot harder to get that done. Conventional mortgage, you don't get that luxury. On a VA loan, they're going to tell you and say, hey, the value, I'm not seeing it. Can you provide some comps for me? That's a bonus for the seller. Also, the VA loans are easier to get approved than conventional mortgages. If you don't believe me, just Google it. It's easier to get pre-approved and approved for a VA loan than it is a conventional mortgage. Lastly, sellers, you know your home better than anybody. If you're missing a hand railing, you got chipping paint and it was built prior to 1878, you got the broken window from when you were mowing the grass, you never fixed it. Yeah, those are the things that the VA cares about. They don't care about anything else. They just want the home to be safe for the veteran. Hand railings, no chipping paint, no broken windows. The appliances work. There's no leaky stuff going on, no fires, nothing like that. The water's safe. You can drink the water. These are simple things that the VA requires. So is the VA loan bad for sellers? No, it's actually better than a conventional mortgage. The only problem is the realtors who don't know how to explain it. So if you have questions on a VA loan, feel free to reach out to me anytime. 608-669-4226 or John at integrityhomeswy.com.